Hey, so we're going to solve this, and so we'll end up finding out what t equals. Okay, so 7t minus 3 equals t plus 45. So you'll notice t appears twice in the equation. Okay, so what we're wanting to do is get t's on one side of the equal sign and numbers on the other side, and then we'll find out what t actually means. So, first thing we can do, we'll notice, well, it's 7t, so remember if it's 7t, that's a 7 times t, and there's just a single t here. So what we can do is if we actually just subtract t from this side, you then have to do exactly the same on the other side. Okay, so remember, anything you do to one side, you have to do to another. So what we have is 7t minus t, we end up with 6t. We're still taking away the 3, equals, well, t minus t is obviously 0, so equals 45. Then what we have is we've got 6t minus 3 equals 45. So what we need to think about is how we get rid of the 3. So again, with this, if you want to get rid of the 3, you just do the opposite operation. So if it's minus 3, if we add 3 to this, then minus 3 plus 3 is 0, but we also have to do this to the other side. Right, so what we've then got is we've then got 60 equals 45 plus 3, which is equal 48. So we now have 6t equals 48, okay, so imagine it was 6 apples equals 48 pence. So how much does one apple weigh? So essentially what you'd have to do here is, again, you would divide that by 6, divide that by 6. So what you have is you've got 6t divided by 6, we've got t, and 48 divided by 6 is 8. And that's your answer. Okay, so t equals 8, and if you substituted that into this equation, 7 times 8 minus 3 is the same as 8 plus 45. And that's how you do it. Okay, so you just do the one operation at a time. If it's a minus number you want to get rid of, you just do the opposite operation, and if you're wanting to get from having a number that's multiplied or a letter multiplied by a number, just do the opposite, which is divide. So that was your first question.